Cold Spring, New York.
Yeah! It's not really that far from where we live.
No, it's only like an hour. It's only like an hour and a half from where we live in Brooklyn. But it's this cute little like town, I guess, in upstate New York. It's a popular area for people from New York City to go to because it's also easy to get to by train, but I have a car, so we're taking the car.
We're at Cold Spring, yay! Yay! And it's cold, like a cold spring. Wink. So far everyone has talked to Gabby. Like everywhere we go, someone has approached her and been like, "Hi, how's your day?" And I'm just standing there like. So far we've been to like a few stores, which are so cute, and it's cold. But the coolest part is the Hudson River is frozen. And it's so cool because you can like hear it crackling and stuff. Super, super cool. So let's go take a look. It's all frozen. And if you listen really closely, you can hear it crackling. Also, we keep starting all the trends because we came here. There's no people at all. And now look. And then we went into a bunch of stores, there were the only people in there, and then like after we got in, there was like 6 people there. Now we're gonna go walk back through the town and maybe get something to eat because we're hungry and it's actually it's really kind of late. It's like 3
really
p.m.
kind of late. We're gonna
so
be
we're
screwed
gonna
with dinner.
we're gonna go walk back through the town and explore. We had to come through this before, but you have to go through this like tunnel-y thing. It says to Upper Village. And you gotta go down this creepy, looks like you're gonna get trapped down here. What if like there's like an animal down here? Like a ravenous bear. Or like a tiger. So then you gotta go down this creepy ass hallway. Look at that, looks like blood. And then you're back on the main road. Because there's train tracks when behind us, so you can't walk over the train tracks, which makes total and complete sense for safety reasons. Cold Spring Station. So I guess that's where the train lets you off. If you came from probably like the Metro North or something, which is how you get to this area from Manhattan, Brooklyn, New York City, whatever. Now we're on the main street again, where all the stores and shops are. Hiking Bear Mountain right now. Woohoo! Me and Gabby love hiking. We hike all the time.
We do.
And it's really popular for hiking. I know a lot of my friends have done it. I've never done it before. Gabby's done it once with some of our other friends. There's lots of cool like signs that kind of tell you information about the rocks and the park and stuff. So I'm excited. So we just started. So
wish us luck.
Might be a long way up, but let's go. Let's do it. We made it to the top. Yay! It didn't take that long. What time is it?
I have no idea, but it really was fast.
When we stopped and took photos and everything.
A lot of them.
But it's so pretty, so we're just gonna sit on this bench and relax. Oh, also, while we were hiking, I lost the like muffler thing for my microphone, and I was taking a photo of Gabby and I realized that, and I was like, shit. And then she's looking through her photos and she was like, wait, you had it over here by the waterfall. And it was only like maybe like 500 feet away, so we kept walking back, and she's like, you're never gonna find it. It fell down the mountain, it was windy. And I was like, probably not, but let's just go look anyway. And I found it.
Wait, this is the best part of the story. Then a hiker tried to run past Shanna, and she went to like move away, and she literally like slid down the side of a rock, just like sideways running.
There was ice. There's ice there.
And I had to grab you.
But now we get to the top, and we're gonna chill.
Which, I think we did this one.
Major Welch.
So cool.
Okay, time to go down.
Okay, it says black bears live here, but I'm disappointed because 1, we couldn't go in the tower, and 2, I didn't see a black bear.
because it's like slanted, you know.